Good evening, all of you. You know that the Goa is a geographically a very small state of India, and when the demand increases for iron ore in China, there is in few years back, then most of the mining are started in Goa, and most are the illegally, and mostly that mining's working below the water table, but government has not given a permission to that working in below water table, but after giving the permission for above the water table, then nobody the government department is seeing that working exact working position, and mostly are working below water tables. So in our village, there is more than 1,000 of people are living, and that people are depend mostly on the natural springs waters and nalas. All the agriculture activity also depend on the agriculture water, natural water. So 2 years back, that most of the natural springs and nalas has destroyed. So that time I am studying in mechanical engineering in our Goa college. So after I completing my study, I look after that some of the mining companies regarding their license, and then after we come to know that all the minings are illegal, we fight it against them. But I also admitted admission in Pune University. Because of that reasons, I cannot complete my study, and I leave that job, my admission, and cancel it admission of in Pune University. So in our village, then most of the villagers don't know the effects of the mining. We gather some of the peoples in Goa, some are studying environmental professors, and some presentation has shown to the village peoples after some peoples has gathered and supports us. After fighting, in that most of the Goa's political party are involved in mining also. So some ministers and other some NGOs are also some supporting. But all the political systems are corrupt mostly, and we need to improve that. So we trying to improve. That time also we can get a threatens and beaten. मुझे ऐसे कितनी ही धमकियाँ आई, और मुझे एक बार भी अटैक भी किया उन्होंने, क्योंकि मैंने उनका जो माइनिंग का कंपनी से कुछ प्रॉफिट था उनको लॉस हुआ, और मुझे बोल रहे थे। मैंने उनको एक ही क्वेश्चन किया था कि अभी तुमको जो 100 से करोड़ प्रॉफिट होता है एक साल में, लेकिन इसका डबल तो गाँव वालों को नुकसान होता है, उसका भरपाई कौन देगा? उनके पास इस सवाल का जवाब नहीं था, और वो चले गए। बाद में उन्होंने मुझे अटैक किया। ये जो माइनिंग कंपनी है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं माइनिंग के पूरा अगेंस्ट नहीं, क्यों मेरे हाथ में जो भी होगा वो मेटल का होगा, और मेटल को हमको चाहिए, हमारे देश के लिए चाहिए, लेकिन कितना चाहिए उतना ही हमारे देश के लिए चाहिए, उतना ही हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं। और ये जो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज है वो लिमिटेड है, एक बार ख़त्म हुआ तो फिर से हमको मिलेंगे नहीं, और इस जनरेशन में हमने सब खत्म किया है, तो अगला जनरेशन हमारे अगले जनरेशन को कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा। और वाटर इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, वी कैन नॉट लाइव विदाउट वाटर। सो आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ द यूथ ऑफ द इंडिया एंड पीपल वी आर गैदर हियर, so we can pass a message to the other people also to save our natural resources and develop sustainable environment for our future generations. Thank you.